Hi, welcome to Gamize Tutorials. Today we learn how to host a spin the wheel campaign on your app or website. Here we are on the Gamize dashboard and we can see it has super cool 50 plus gamification templates that we can explore from. Now before we start, I've simplified it for you by pre-filling the details on the dashboard. Now coming back to spin the wheel, let's set this up in 5 easy steps. First, we'll give the activity and its quadrants their names, and then we'll customize the design to our liking. We'll now add a CTA button Redeem Now for the gratification pop-up. You can customize your offers, descriptions, instructions, and the validity. Now, who wins the reward and when? It's simple. Set up the criteria and just simply add the users. We are all set, and here's what it'll look like. Want to gamize your site or app? Then simply visit www.gamize.com and set up a quick meeting with us.